back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another healthcare medical records work from home job for you. I know not everyone is interested in the healthcare field, but I do have a lot of viewers that are. So if this job lead is not for you, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you are looking for. I'm always reading those and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. And if you want to get your application in for this one, of course, the link is in the YouTube description box below. But the company Healthmark Group, they are a leader in health information management and technology. So think like health systems, health medical electronic records, things like that. They are looking for someone to do medical records processing. Now, this is 100% remote. This is for my United States folks only, but this is an entry-level job. You will be processing medical records requests. It is going to be high volume and fast-paced environment. You'll assist as needed in any overflow processing due to high volume with customer service sometimes. But you'll basically be monitoring incoming medical records requests through different various means. You'll work those medical records requests and get those records out the door to whoever is requesting them. Because this is an entry-level position, it does not actually require any experience. They are looking for someone who can be a quick worker, a fast learner, dependable, a team player, and have a positive attitude. Now, if that sounds like you, they are paying $14 to $16 per hour, but this can give you the experience you need to get on your resume to then be able to apply for higher paying jobs. They do offer a benefit package that includes paid time off in health insurance and a 401k as well. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. If you found this job lead helpful, please give this video a thumbs up like button, as that helps me out and gives me direct feedback that I know this was helpful. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.